Hello everyone, Considered All Joy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a tea towel display ladder with things that you may already have in your home. This can be done with some scrap wood if you have some lying around. I decided to do mine with this stretched canvas from the Dollar Tree, which I had purchased a while ago for another project, which I never ended up using, and this was a perfect way to use the things that I already have because we're under quarantine and I am limiting my outings to the store. After removing the canvas, I am just taking a gift card. You can use a ruler or anything with a straight edge to make markings so that the edges are straight and not at an angle, so that way this ladder display can stand straight.
I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Using some sandpaper, I'm going to give all of the ends some sanding just so that they're nice and smooth. To put together, you want to have the longer sides of the canvas be the sides of your ladder and the shorter sides of the canvas be the center of the ladder. I did have my husband cut down the center portion of this ladder just because it was more appealing to me, but you can keep it the same sizes as they come on the canvas. To attach everything together, I'm just using some hot glue. I don't plan on putting anything heavy on this display ladder. I'm just wanting to use it to display some kitchen towels. The final step to putting together this display ladder is to give it a quick coat of paint, but this is optional. You can keep it the raw wood look, or you can paint it to any color. You can do it gray, white, or brown like I am doing, and this is just a personal preference. I just like the color of darker wood. If you do not have a Dollar Tree canvas on hand, please do not go to the store. This is not an essential item. I do not want to motivate or encourage you to go to the store at this time. I am just simply wanting to give you some ideas for you to do some projects with things you could possibly find in your home. Maybe you have some scraps of wood or some old canvases that you thought you would donate to Goodwill, and you can check in your garage, your attic, or some closet where you store your decorations. But please, I really beg of you, do not go to the stores, and I just want you to stay safe.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.